Hello everyone, Sam is here from my forexmagicweb.com. I'm making this a small video. It's about my last two videos of Aussie yen that I wanted to show how to place a pending order and trail the price to fill the order and finish the trade. So this was the chart. I made it on the 26th that it is going up, and then my pending order was here: sell, stop, pending short, not the current short, not the active trade, but pending. If the price will come down and then going down and in dropping, it will hit my pending sell order and it will activate my order, right? That's the idea. But price continue going to the upside, then I will just trail behind it and move my trade just behind it, like keep it 20-22 pip behind, so that I can get a reversal candle and one red candle and my order will be filled. So why I do that? Because I'm expecting that it may drop right from here from 61%, or it can go to the upside until like maybe next level 78%. That happens, right? A lot of times, and you open a trade and then it goes against you and take out your 30-40 pip. That's not good. Rather than you let the market decide when it's gonna drop, and then take, you should be able to open the trade. But the thing is that how long you're gonna sit in front of the computer and then just keep watching it going in the opposite direction while you're waiting for a drop, right? So this technique is very good. I mean, I give my subscriber an alarm when when the price turns and start dropping or bouncing from a level, and then post a reversal candle. The alarm start beeping, and then you can open a trade. But you have to be around in the house or in your office when that happens. Otherwise, if you are outside, then the alarm beeping is not good anymore, right? So when you are going out, do this. This is the good practice. When you're going out and you know that it's going to drop, you just put a pending order and then leave. So if it goes up, you are safe, and if it drops, take your order. You are in the trade. You don't miss the trade. So what happened to this trade as of today? Let me just show it to you. Where it go, man? Okay, here. You see that? It went up to 78%, as I was thinking that it might do, and it did, right? And then from I was moving my pending order, and all of a sudden it started dropping, taking my entry and all the way down here. And this is the area where usually it bounces. That's why I don't have any other level right now. You see that 50% or 38% in between that, because usually from 78% it goes back to either 38% or 23%. So 38% is already crossed. 23% was my target, and that's why I'm holding it. So this is how beautiful it is, that if you use this technique, it gives you a lot of pippage and safely. It is a very safe practice. Also, I showed in my last webinar video, not also webinar, but in video, that I had another short just like this, a Euro Aussie, which I closed 150 pip, but another one was Euro Yen, and that one is I have not closed yet, and it is still running. It is live right now. You can see here, this is not closed. The other one is closed, but this is still running here. The entry was here just like that, and it's a short entry and keep going down. Why? The reason why I'm holding this, because if you look at the Euro index, index alone, look, this is what's happening. Okay, Euro index weekly chart. I was expecting that this was a brick wall here, 29.01, and then 28.17 was giving a very hard time to this price. Like so many months we were just playing around, bouncing from this area, and finally we broke below it. Finally now, and powerfully, the last week we poke into the level, and then this week look what happened, right? So right now there is nothing to stop it. This level is gone, this one is gone, this one is gone. Now the next level is 27.02, and right now we are at what, 27.07, right? So almost like 75 pip. That is like almost 150 pip in the pairs moving, right? So I still have like 100 pip to go to the downside. Euro Yen, Euro Aussie. I have Euro Aussie running on, but it's on the other computers, on the other account. I'll show you tomorrow. So Euro USD running short, Euro Aussie running short, and Euro Yen is right here running short. Where you go? Because of this Euro index chart dropping big time. Okay, so this is how it is. And if you want to learn all this mumbo jumbo, then just go on my website and subscribe. I'm planning to make another course. It's not like a course, but it's an opportunity that one-on-one Skype teaching. Then I will get on the Skype and probably maybe like 5, 6, 8 hours, 30-minute sessions, and then teach you or anybody who wants to learn from the beginning, from the scratch till the mastery of all this, the Elliott wave, harmonic patterns, how to draw trend lines, channel, support, resistance, everything. I just showed you my weekly chart. Aussie Yen weekly chart is like this one. See, I have prepared everything, right? Aussie Yen is still that one was closed, but there is another one that is still running. Let's see what else. Let me show you. If I think it's USD Yen is also running right here. Yeah, see, it's not too big now. I'm sitting on a break even, but once it's go at least 60-70 pip. I don't make chart and show my trades if it's like 30-40 pips. Then I just close it and then forget about it. But if it drops all the way down here, then I'll make the chart and post on my website. At least it has to be like 60, 70, 80 pip, man. I'm not gonna waste my time making the chart. Similarly, like Euro USD is dropping very nicely, right? So once it's probably like maybe down here somewhere, I'll make the chart. Maybe it's enough. I think it's, I don't know how many pips it already is. It is. Let me see. It's 1308 and it's 1234. Yeah, so it's around 100 pip. It's about to be 100 pip now. Not 100, but it's 70-80 pip, right? So yeah, I'm gonna maybe tomorrow I'm gonna make the chart and post on this one as well on the website. So these are the trade, and this is I'm gonna hold for long because you just saw the Euro index chart, right? Let me show you again. And if you have it and you're interested in, see, this is a 30-minute chart, Euro index, big time dropping, right? And this is a weekly chart. There's nothing to stop here until 27. So until this thing gets to 27, I'm not gonna close my Euro trades. Euro USD, Euro Yen, and Euro Aussie. 3 Euro pairs are running right now. Okay, this is how you do it. Based on, you see me doing it like all pound pairs, all yen pairs. It's based on the index chart. If index is moving, all the pairs gonna move, and you have a lot of opportunities. People are looking for just one good trade, and here you can see that how many good trades you have. And I just opened the trades, and I told you again, since Aussie Yen is the one that I choose, and then I step by step before even opening the trade, I am showing that how I think and how I am waiting for the setup and then how I am waiting for drop. And it is dropping, and then my order got filled, pending order, and I still have it, and 70 pip, easy peasy, right? So this is how it is. So this is going to be the end of it. I made, this is the third part 3 of this series, that how to put a pending order and get your trade, and then finally close the trade for say 70, 80, 100 pip. Okay. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.